Daily use sentences. I have been out since morning. I have been out since morning. I have had lunch. I have had lunch. I have had breakfast. I have had breakfast. I have no money. I have no money. I have to go. I have to go. I have 2 rupees less. I have 2 rupees less. I know everything. I know everything. I know nothing. I know nothing. I must go. I must go. I want its fancy price. I want its fancy price. I want that one. I want that one. I will give you a fancy price for it. I will give you a fancy price for it. In course of time. In course of time. It does not mean. It does not mean. It sounds great. It sounds great. It's all because of you. It's all because of you. It's all you do. It's all you do. Just taste it. Just taste it. He feels like eating funnel cake. He feels like eating funnel cake. Look ahead. Look ahead. Make the bed. Make the bed. Many a man was killed. Many a man was killed. My study is going on well. My study is going on well. Nothing special. Nothing special. Rest assured. Rest assured. She has no money. She has no money. Shut up when you are unwise to talk. Shut up when you are unwise to talk. He will do? He will do? That boy David reads in your class. That boy David reads in your class. That's enough. That's enough. That's a good idea. That's a good idea. The examination is about to start. The examination is about to start.